Have you ever noticed a strange ticking, hissing, or rumbling sound from your truck, especially when you first start it up in the morning? It might be more than just engine warm-up. These noises can often be the telltale signs of a sneaky exhaust leak, and catching them early is key to keeping your truck running smoothly and safely. The cold start method for finding exhaust leaks is a simple yet highly effective diagnostic technique that relies on the physical properties of metal. Essentially, it involves inspecting and listening to your truck's exhaust system right after starting the engine when it is completely cold, ideally after sitting overnight. This method works because of thermal expansion and contraction. When your truck's exhaust system is cold, the metal components are contracted. Any small cracks, loose connections, or worn gaskets will be at their most open state. As the engine heats up, the metal expands, often sealing these tiny gaps temporarily and making leaks much harder to detect. The cold state allows the exhaust gases to escape through these enlarged openings, creating a louder and more distinct sound, making the leak much easier to hear and pinpoint. To perform the cold start method, first, ensure your truck's engine is completely cold. This usually means it has been off for several hours. Then, start the engine. Do not rev it, just let it idle. Immediately walk around your truck and listen very carefully to the exhaust system. Pay close attention to areas around the exhaust manifolds, catalytic converters, mufflers, and all connections. You are listening for any puffing, ticking, hissing, or whistling sounds that seem out of place. You can also gently place your hand near suspected areas to feel for puffs of air, or use a piece of paper or a smoke machine if available, being careful to avoid hot parts. An insider trick many mechanics use involves a piece of garden hose or a mechanic's stethoscope. By placing one end of the hose to your ear and moving the other end along the exhaust system, you can amplify sounds and help narrow down the exact location of the leak. Remember, safety first. Never touch hot components, and always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling exhaust fumes. By understanding and using the cold start method, you are empowering yourself to be a proactive truck owner. Early detection of exhaust leaks can prevent more serious and costly issues down the road, like reduced engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and even dangerous exhaust fumes entering your truck's cabin. It is a quick and free way to ensure your truck is running at its best, keeping you and your passengers safe on every journey.